Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi there, my name is Lisbeth.
I used to be an elementary school teacher before I joined LEGO Education.
As a senior educational specialist, I'm thrilled to share with you these exciting solutions that opens up the students' minds as to how the world works. With simple machines, your students can investigate simple and compound machines found in real life, such as gears, levers, pulleys, and wheels and axles. The curriculum pack meets standards within science, technology, and engineering design. As a teacher, I know that engaging and motivating the students is the gate to opening up for good learning.
LEGO Education Machines and Mechanisms open up the students' minds as to how the world works.